Right now, the radar is showing some showers from the Caloosahatchee north. Now, there's enough dry air in place that a lot of this is evaporating before it reaches the surface, so it looks a little worse than it is. But definitely a little light drizzle, not out of the question here early, but some really big thunderstorms along the old frontal boundary in the Florida Straits. You can see those light showers approaching the coastline, working their way from the lake. And again, it's the Caloosahatchee north that's got the best chance. Now, this rain will not put a dent in our deficits at all. We'll be lucky to register a trace if we get that. 3.69 now behind in Fort Myers year to date and almost 3 in Naples. The good news is we've got a shot over the upcoming weekend. Let me get you out the door, though. We have a cool change here this morning. 60 in Page Field at Fort Myers. This is one above our average of 59. We've got some upper 50s on the map, but it feels much cooler because not only are we some 5 to 10 degrees chillier this morning than yesterday, it's windy. We've got the wind 15 miles per hour. It's been gusting up to 20, and that's not going to change here throughout the day. Matter of fact, as you look at the forecast all afternoon long, we are looking at least a 15-mile-per-hour sustained winds with the gust in the low 20s. So cloudy early, and then we'll see sunshine from 5 to 7 o'clock. So we're going to end the day really nice, but with the cloud cover and that cool breeze, temperatures only reaching 76. That is below our average of 81 after a really hot stretch of weather here going back to early February. We'll take the change. Our record on the state, 91, going back to 1945. The setup, very similar to yesterday. We've still got this low slowly moving up the northeast coastline and a high pressure ridge building in. After the little light showers and the cloud cover gets out of here today, you see noontime we're still cloudy, but by 7 o'clock, all that's gone. Tomorrow, the winds shift. They're going to be out of the east. That's a fairly warm weather pattern for us, and it's going to get even warmer here on Friday and a little more humid as the wind shift out of the southeast. That's in advance of that cold front that you see at the top of your screen. That's going to bring us a 70 to 80% chance of rain on Saturday. And as you look at the upper levels of the atmosphere, here comes a big dip in the jet stream over the weekend. That's going to bring in some cooler air, but that frontal boundary is going to stay close enough that we are going to keep a chance of rain for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Hopefully, we can start to put a little dent now in our drought conditions in town. If you're thinking about heading down the water, there's a small craft caution today. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Inland waters will be choppy. Let's talk about that 7-day forecast. For the St. Patrick's Day plans, we're fine. Just a little windy. Our temperatures will get much cooler, as you can see there, Sunday and Monday. But that highest chance of rain will be Saturday with at least a 70 to 80% chance of picking up a storm.